Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial I will show you how you can change the background of your image and you can place any other weather in your background. So it's quite simple, just you have to place the background and the character on the right angle and that's it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, I will open the images that I have already downloaded from pexels.com. You can also download the same images if you want. I will link them in the description. So first of all, I will go and open them. So I want to change the background weather of this image to something snowy, something which will look like snow. So for that, first of all, I have to take my characters out of it. So I will make a selection. You can use any tool, but I will use quick selection tool. So here you can see I have selected my subject from the image and now I will place it into the image of snowfall. So I will drag it and drop it here, and now I will adjust their size according to the image. Yes, that looks good. Now I will give some adjustments to my both of the images so they look real, not fake. But before that I will add the shadow so it looks more realistic. So for that I will create a new layer and I will select brush tool, and with a hard brush select it and the size to something like 200 or 150 is good. Here it is. I will resize the brush so that it fits under the foots of the man. So now I will adjust it according to the character. Yes, it's good. Now I will give some adjustments to my layer. I will brighten it up a little bit. And I will increase the vibrance and decrease the saturation little bit, not much. It's okay. Now I will add some snow elements on the image so it looks more real. So for that I will go to Google and I will write snowfall black. I have already searched about it, so you can go to Google and write snowfall black and you can find these elements. Now I will select any of this. It looks good. I will copy it and paste it here. Now I will create a lot of copies out of it so I can have the snow all around. So here you can see we are done with it. Now I will erase the little part of the snow from the vector so it's little visible. So let's see our final result. So here it is. We have changed the background of the image and we have added a background with different weather and it looks cool. It's look real. So that's all from today. From this tutorial I wanted to show how you can change the background weather or change the background with different weather. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's see you in another video. Until then, bye bye.